In this video, there are 20 questions on English grammar. Let's see if you can get all of them right. She will send a email after the meeting. The correct sentence is, she will send a follow-up email after the meeting. Follow up with a hyphen is used before a word like email to describe it. Follow up without a hyphen is used when someone takes action. For example, I will follow up tomorrow. Please. My apology for the late reply. The correct answer is, please accept my apology for the late reply. Accept means to receive or agree to something. Accept means excluding or not including something. The company installed a new system last year. The correct answer is, the company installed a new on-premises system last year. On-premises refers to something located within a place or building. On-premise is often used informally, but is not correct in professional writing. Every student. A laptop. The correct answer is, every student has a laptop. We use has because every student is treated as one person at a time, so the verb is singular. Have is used with plural subjects, but every student is singular. This topic will be discussed. The lesson. The correct answer is, this topic will be discussed during a lesson. During is used when something happens within an event or period of time. In sounds unnatural here because we are referring to a specific event, not a place. He will with the customer tomorrow morning. The correct answer is, he will follow up with the customer tomorrow morning. Follow up without a hyphen is used when someone takes action. Follow up with a hyphen is used before a word. For example, a follow-up call. We need to. About this again. The correct answer is, we need to think about this again. We say, think about when considering an idea carefully. Discuss about is grammatically incorrect because we do not use about with the word discuss. She is very good solving puzzles. The correct answer is, she is very good at solving puzzles. We say good at when talking about someone's skills or what they can do well. Good in is used when referring to performance within a place or situation, not a skill. The for the project is next Friday. The correct answer is, the deadline for the project is next Friday. Deadline means the final time something must be completed. Dateline is used in news reports to show the place and date, not a time limit. Exercise is a habit. The correct answer is, exercise is a long-term habit. We use long-term with a hyphen to describe a habit. We use long-term without a hyphen when there is an action word. For example, we are thinking long-term. Please fill the form. The correct answer is, please fill in the form. Fill in is used when completing a form or document. Fill up is used when something becomes full. For example, fill up a bottle or fill up a tank. The cat cleaned. Pause. The correct answer is, the cat cleaned its paws. Its shows possession. Something belongs to the cat's paws. Its, with an apostrophe, means it is or it has. For example, it's clean or it's been washed. The manager asked for the customers. The correct answer is, the manager asked for the customer's feedback. Feedback does not have a plural form in English. This update will. The previous version. The correct answer is, this update will improve on the previous version. Improve on is used when something becomes better than an earlier version. Improve means to make something better in general, but it does not clearly show comparison with an earlier version. She gave me some useful. The correct answer is, she gave me some useful advice. Advice does not have a plural form in English. She needs to focus her studies this year. The correct answer is, she needs to focus on her studies this year. Use focus on when you mean give attention to something. Focus at is used for a point or place, not attention. For example, focus at the center of the screen. I look forward to. From you soon. The correct answer is, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Phrases like look forward to must be followed by an activity, so the next word ends with ing. Using here after look forward to is grammatically incorrect because the phrase requires an activity, not the base word. She accepted a position at the company. The correct answer is, she accepted a full-time position at the company. We use full-time with a hyphen to describe the position. We use full-time without a hyphen when there is an action word. For example, she works full-time. Can you me your pen for a moment? The correct answer is, can you lend me your pen for a moment? We use lend when giving something to someone. Borrow means to take something from someone, not to give it. For example, I borrow a pen from you. And the final question. Please make sure the door is before you leave. The correct answer is, please make sure the door is locked before you leave. We use locked to describe the condition of the door. Lock is used when someone performs the action. For example, please lock the door. That's the end of the challenge. How many did you answer correctly? Share your score in the comments below, and thanks for watching.